another map that has been completed. So I was going to do a video in the map editor just as I was about to finish the map, but I've finished the map and I've already started playing on it, so this is kind of like a video about the map itself, and I'll include a little bit of what I've built on it. So this is Santa Clara Valley, which is in the south of the Bay Area, close to San Jose, where the, if I orientate the map, let's orientate the map to the north, basically where the urban area meets the mountains. I think, like, for instance, Apple is up here on the left, out off of the map, to give you an idea where it is. It's a real mixture of, in the real area, it's a mixture of suburbs, you know, malls, typical kind of urban sprawl, US style, low density housing, mixed in with some medium density, which has been, what would you call it? It's a little bit of a trend that's been happening, I think, a lot, especially in the large cities in California. Then there's a whole mixture of industrial. This map basically has quite a bit of industrial on it as well, rail, a lot of different stuff. So the road network is pretty accurate. I did actually use an overlay as a rough guide, but I find that overlay isn't that accurate particularly. Even if I set the map parameters up correctly, it doesn't seem to be that accurate. So apart from the fact that they're always crooked roads and you have to redo them anyway, I pretty much just redid the whole lot. So every single road you see here is hand placed. So there's some water on the map. There's a big reservoir down here. There's some resources here which are not true to life, but I've just put them in anyway. Got quite a few rivers that were tricky to get flowing properly, as is the case normally with Skylines. It's like treacly water. But anyway, they're slightly bigger rivers than they are in real life. In real life, they're kind of like really small canals. So you could change them and put canals in game mode. I might do that. Plenty of highways, lots of interchanges, some quite big ones up here as you get towards San Jose. So a lot of space, a lot of flat space to build on here. You'll probably not be able to cover it before you reach the object limits. I've got 750k trees on the map. Some quite big mountains. In real life, these are actually quite arid. I guess if there's a wet season, you know, it would get green, but it would be sort of bushes. But I've made it more forested. So yeah, it's a mixture of flats and mountains. Based on the area in the Bay Area. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I did put a very heavy emphasis on roads on this one, as I normally do, but I kind of added an extra layer of secondary roads. The only roads that are really missing from this map are suburban roads. So there you go. If you don't really like laying roads, or you want existing roads to sort of be a guide for you, then this is probably a map for you. You can do what you like with it, add a downtown, whatever you want. So there we have it. So I have actually got, as some of you may know, I start a lot of maps and I kind of half complete them, and then I get onto another one, and then I build a little bit, and then I build another map, and I've kind of been all over the place. So this one I really had it in my head to actually just start to finish and actually complete it for once, once in a while. But I've got maybe 4 other maps, maybe 5 other half-made maps that I really should start getting back to. One's San Dimas. That's about 90% complete, so I may as well really get back onto that one. I've got San Marcos. I've got what else have we got? Asheville Airport. I've got one based on King of Prussia Mall in Pennsylvania. I think I've got one or two others as well. So, and there's a couple of works in progress in the workshop as well. So I really, yeah, I didn't, with this map, I really did not want to be repeating the process of starting it, getting distracted, and then leaving it half finished. So, but I decided to start building on this, and you know, I might just carry on building. I mean, this feels like it could be another version of that Illinois Tech Corridor map I did, and I actually lost that game. And you know, I've kind of been wanting to build a large sort of suburban low density project for quite a while, and maybe this is, I think this is probably the map for it. So yeah, we'll see how I go, see if I manage to keep up with it or whether I get onto another map. So that's pretty much it. What am I using? I've got Lush, we like Lush as the LUT on this, and I think I've got Cedar Valley again as the theme. I tend to really like that theme. No, sorry, I've got Aguila Verte by Acania. Acania is sadly no longer with us, but he's made some really good content in the workshop, so rest in peace, brother. Yeah, alright, that'll do. I think that's probably about enough to give you guys an idea of what the map's like, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Alright, cheers, we'll see you next time.